Do you know many people are having trouble with centering the needle on their Brother sewing machine? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Power off. First, ensure your sewing machine is turned off for safety. Step 2. Find control. Locate the plus side of the stitch selection key on your machine. Step 3. Press button. Press and hold the plus side of the stitch selection key. Step 4. Power on. While holding the button, turn your sewing machine back on. Step 5. Check position. Release the button and check that the needle is now centered. By following these steps, you should now have a perfectly centered needle position. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Brother users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.